Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft an experience bottle in Minecraft. For that, we just need to take glass bottle and lapis lazuli. We need one glass bottle and one lapis lazuli. And as you can see, I've just crafted a bottle of enchanting or an experience bottle. And you might ask, guys, how did I do that? Because you cannot craft experience bottle in vanilla Minecraft. The thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack, and you can download this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description to this post. Just click download data pack. You save it on your PC in any folder you'd like to, and after that you just install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.